Hello and welcome to Stable and Scale, one of the places where you can learn and share wisdom. I am Lakshman. In today's video, I'm going to deep dive into one of the craziest topic, event-driven architecture and how to streamline your application with Azure Event Grid. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. The things we will be seeing in this video is number one, we need to create event grid in Azure portal, and number two, we will configure storage account and Azure functions for triggering in and triggering out. Okay, and number three, we will push an event and whether our Azure functions got triggered via the event is triggered by the storage account. So these are all things we will be seeing in demo. Before that, we need a what's a prerequisites. So one, which is only one, is Microsoft Azure account. So at the end of this video, I will give you a tips how to use your event grid in free subscription. So watch till the end of the video. So I will be giving that options. Okay, so let's open the portal and start creating the event grid. This is the Azure portal. First, what we are going to do is we are going to create a resource group with the purpose event grid for YouTube. So I will review it and create it. The next thing what we will be doing is create the event grid. In creating event grid, there was lot of option which is be coming up in the portal itself. Let me go through one by one. Event grid. The event grid with the name, with this option there was lot of information here. This the custom events for event hub grid. This is the default MSTT topics and other stuffs, and this is the partners topic for PaaS and SaaS providers. This is the partners registrations, and this is system grid event topics. We'll create a system topic via storage account also, and there was the event grid domain with the domain option under stuffs, and the event grid namespace where it has multiple endpoints with the custom options. So these all are the major option. What I am going to do is I am going to even create a event grid domain. So let me duplicate this because we will be creating a storage account as well as an Azure function. So first, the event grid domain name does not comes up with the event grid option. First, you need to mention stable scale grid domain. Then go for networks, it's public access. Then for security, I don't have any that much security for now, and for authentication purpose I'm disabling because the SaaS token is required for to send an event. For now I'm disabling it. We will have another video with the enable and generating the SaaS token and sending the event to the event grid via Azure Functions proxy services. So in the event schemas there were three types. One is event grid schema. One is cloud event schema, then is custom input schema. So I will show you. Cloud event schema looks like this: topic, subject, event type, data version, ID, and the event name, event time. And input is something topic, all informations with mapping our in values. This is the already mapped informations. Where in the event grid, this is the event grid schema, this is the event cloud event grid schema, where you have source, subject, type, spec versions, id, and the time. So this is event grid schema, this is cloud event grid schema. I'm now going with the cloud event grid and cross geo. I'm going with relational, no need of any duplications. Then the purpose, where event grid for YouTube, and I will review it. It's been will validate. Let's create and move to the next one. What we need is now the storage account. Want to click create. Storage account. Storage account is nothing but Amazon AWS S3 bucket. If you are familiarized with that, that's the same here. And the resource group is nothing but actually a folder for us to store the informations. Okay, so event grid strg with the local redundance. Go with the options, defaults, tag, purpose, and event grid YouTube. Okay, so I will review it and create it. The next one is, so this is got deployed, this has been in deployment. The third one is Azure functions. Why Azure functions? It's the easiest way for triggering the endpoints, and it is very fast and it is totally scalable. So now what I'm gonna do is event grid AZ FN. AZ means Azure FN function, and with the node.js, LTS 18 version, Central India, Linux, consumption based option, storage. I have a storage here which I'm going to select event grid strg. Then for public access, okay, and for monitoring, yes, I need it, and for deployment I'm disabling it. And the tags is purpose, for YouTube. It's reviewed. It will create it. So now, in meanwhile, let's explain you certain things. In event grid, there was two options. One is system topic and the custom topics. The topics which you able to create actually is a system top, which inbuilt it provides with our. We have seen that option, right? Event grid system topic. The topics communicates within the system, which is I will show you when I was a blob in added into the storage account. We can able to trigger an Azure function. Okay, likewise. So we'll add two Azure functions here, and we have a storage account. We have our event grids here. The first and foremost thing we will be seeing is we will be copying this URL, where we will paste it here, and we are going to create a topic with the name post, with the type event create post, where the subject is post created, and I'm going to send some payloads and informations. The topic, okay, let's go to domain topics, where I can click and create a topic here. Domain topic, system topic, and the custom topic also. The topic is created. Now what I can do is just click the topic and create a subscription. Every topic requires some certain subscription. The subscription's name, what I am gonna do is subject same post created, post created. Now this is the post and this is the top event post created, and my Azure function is called triggered. I'm going to do is I'm going to create the two Azure functions here. In portal event grid, this is post create trigger event trigger. Better, this makes easy. So the function is created. Let's go there and create a one more function. Event blob create trigger blob create event trigger. So this is the one more function. I just got created. Let's refresh this. So that both the functions are here. The first and foremost thing what I'm going to do is select the Azure function and select the endpoint. It's a post create trigger and I'm going to confirm it. And I'm going to click create. Now the event is got created, and this is the Azure function event and post trigger with the event type as it is getting created and it's provisioned. The second one what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a system topic where we can see there was an event here which is still in preview. What we can do is we can go just get started, click the event subscription here, click the event add a new subscription. You can see it asks for the system resource for event grid AZ function as its own option. Now we are going to do is blob created and the system topic is blobs. What I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna do all the stuffs. I think this is the Azure function. One sec, we need to move to the event resource group and go to the storage account here. Event subscription, add an event, blob created. You can see this is the topic, type is storage account with the storage account as resource, and blobs as topic where it's got created. Only on the create I'm triggering it to the endpoint of Azure function. Select the endpoint and this is blob triggered, selected, and it's got clicked and it's got created. So the first one is actually what we have created. This is a domain topic. Second one is actually the system topic, and there was a custom topic also. If you're able to create the namespace where there was cloud events is there you can provide the custom topic. So now the topic is available, the event is got created. Now what I'm gonna do is, first let's come here, this is got succeeded. Gonna open the postman collection, click new, and it's a post option, I'm switching it. Then I'm just opening the notepad plus plus, copying this endpoint. This is the API endpoint where the trigger happens. Gonna body, go to JSON and copy this and paste it here and beautify this. Now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna send the event. No authorization header in the request of request. Let me re-enable a local authentication with SAS tokens. And go to, and this is the key. Let's get my IP address. And we have got a topic and we have got a token authentications here. With the option, we can have a two type of authentication layers here. One is actually via SAS token, another is via the access keys, which is available over here, where you need to have a header with the AEJSAS key, and with your access keys here, where you can be able to push this content. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna do one more option here, 8 instead of 8 make it 9, and newly created post updater. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna post, before that let's go here, go to logs, make the logs got connected. So as for the backend stuffs, we can able to use this API keys, but usually we will start triggering these events from the front end. For that you need to generate a SAS token for it. I will provide you, and we will have a separate video with the SAS token generation, which goes to the event hub, sorry, event grid, and goes to the function. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to push this now. I just posted, it's 200. Okay, all it succeeded. You can see there was an object which came up inside with an event post option, which newly created post updated. So the second one, what we are gonna do is, we are gonna switch back to the one more function called blob, which is gonna trigger via system topic. So same, I'm gonna monitor. Let's duplicate this and go to logs, where I'm gonna open the resource group here. So it's got connected. Now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna create a container and push an SVG image. So this is our storage account. Where I'm gonna go for containers, click container, click for blob access, for event hub, sorry, event grid. So should go, and the blob level access is there. what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload an file which is something an icon, and make case here where I'm gonna upload. You can see it's a put blob, and this is the client request, and this is the URL of the image. What I'm going to do is copy and paste it here. It's going to display the phone's svg file, and it's got triggered, and you have got the subscriptions information and other stuffs. If there was something related to wherever for any batch processing and stuffs, for any background image manipulations or video manipulation, you can use this option, and you can store some informations to the another storage accounts or creating a different container and pushing it there. And for from the mobile application and other stuffs, this one, the grid domain, is a big case for you, which is you can just spin up a event grid and start creating the topics, and you can start pushing up the event and getting those event in event grid, and it start creating the stuffs which is you have triggered. So this is the overall how the application via the API, and from the blob and others perspective, this is a more case. On the upcoming video in the event grid architecture stuffs, what we'll be doing is we will be adding one more layer, which is we won't be calling the direct REST API because it may change at any point of time. We'll point to an Azure function and with a reverse proxy, where our SaaS token will generate and send the events to the Azure function. From the Azure function, there was a proxy which connecting to event grid domain. From the domain, we will be calling the same this event post on the upcoming videos. So hope you will like this, and do more on hands-on because the event grid option is, and I said there will be a option how to use in a free. So for those who are still here, this is for you. Okay, just go to learn.microsoft.com. If you have a Microsoft subscription, what you can do is you can just go to the trainings and training stuffs, and for browsing the learning path. Okay, what you need to do is just go to here and type event grid. So this is the model. Just click the model. Here there will be some exercises, routing custom events to something. Okay, so what you need to do is go there. You will able to get some free account subscription once for a while, or you can have some shell for the resource groups and stuff. For others, you can still have one more option called the learning sandbox. Okay, let me give you. Let me check and add that URL in the description below. So that comes to the end of this demo and how to configure your event grid for your streamlining your applications for events. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification on so you won't miss out any new video. Until then, I am Lakshman signing off.